they digging, real deep. Some humble, they hearken, they listen, they mean.
Hey, what's up, everybody, man? Welcome back to the channel, man. Back with another video as usual. Giving y'all the good content, man. If you are new to the channel, make sure you like, share this video. Make sure you smash the subscribe button as well and turn on all post notifications so you can be notified on all the car content. And it's gonna be a lot to get to this left. Okay, so what we're going to talk about today, we're going to talk about the reasons why you should buy a Dodge Dart. If you are new to the channel, make sure you go on watch my other video, why you should buy a Dodge Dart, why you shouldn't buy a Dodge Dart as well, reasons why. But this is one of the reasons why you should. I didn't have the car for long. I think I had it for like, I want to say 4 years. I bought it in 2014, 2015, I believe. And I think I had it all the way to 2019. So I had it for a couple of years, like 4 years or so. I wish I would have really started on my videos at that time. I did do a couple videos, but I didn't record everything that I was doing like I do now. So, but other than that, let's get into the reasons why you should buy a Dodge Dart. First off, what are the reasons are? It actually is a reliable car. Now, when I had it, it just depends on how you take care of your car. Any car can be reliable. It depends on how you take care of it. Even a fucking even a BMW or a Mercedes, they can be reliable if you want to. It's gonna cost you more to be reliable with those cars. But with the Dodge Dart, it's a reliable car, man. Like, the only thing that went bad for me was that brake booster. So I mentioned it in my later video. This is years ago. But the only thing that went bad for me is the brake booster. Everything else was easy to maintain and easy to get to as well. So, but one of the reasons is, once again, it's reliable. It is a reliable car. It didn't give me no issues, no brakes, no outside of the brake booster, it didn't give me no issues. No suspension issues like the Charger did. No glitching in the system. Nothing really. I mean, it really wasn't. It wasn't deal breakers for me. It was a reliable car. It got good gas mileage for the most part. But yeah, I mean, it was a reliable car. And then second thing, I mentioned it just now, the gas mileage. The gas mileage was great. The gas mileage was beautiful, I would say. Very easy. When it came to gas mileage, I was getting a minimum of 28 miles to the gallon with that car. A minimum 28 miles to the gallon. Nothing less at all with that gas mileage, even in the city. Yeah, so great gas miles with the car. I think I have a video on it. If not, I've got a picture of it. I remember I got 50 miles to the gallon highway on that car. 50 miles to the gallon on the highway, and that's for real. I think I still got the pictures on my Facebook. But yeah, I got 50 miles to the gallon on that car, bro. It lasted me for a long time. So I wish I still had it. So that's one of the cars I want to have for my channel again, either a Charger, a Mustang, or a Dodge Dart. Those are the cars. Those are the three cars that I will choose for my next car on this channel, if it gets to that point. But we all know, due to inflation, shit costs so much money. A Dodge Dart is going for, with high miles, is going for like $6,000, which is still cheap, but it's still expensive for a car that's discontinued. So that's what we got to remember. This car is discontinued, so it shouldn't. The car should be like $3,000-$4,000, to be honest with you. But it is what it is. That's what we got to deal with. We in a time where inflation is here, so. But yeah, gas mileage is great. The mods. Third thing is the mods, man. The mods gave me my great gas mileage, but my mileage gave me my gas mileage that I had. So the mods look so clean on the car. It's not the best looking car in the world, but the mods do look great with that car. But the mods do look great with the car. I had it black. Ooh, it was clean, man. I went back and looked at my pictures and my old videos, like, man, that shit's clean. But the mods look great. So many mods you can do to that car as well. Mods are endless, man. Mods are very, very endless, pretty much. I did a lot of mods. I changed the cluster out. all that good stuff. Cluster, black the top, the hood, the roof, in the trunk as well. Swap tail light out, all that type of stuff, man. It's a good car for modding and gas mileage and stuff like that. And the exhaust sounds pretty good on that car as well, so it's a great car to have. I say the fourth thing is the body style. I mean, that's one of the main reasons I love the LED tail lamps, man. That's why I got into Dodge, because of the tail lamps. That's what really made me like Dodge even more, because of those LED tail lamps they put on the car, because nobody else was doing that. Now if you look at cars now, everyone's pretty much doing that. Kia, Hyundai, anything you can think of, any manufacturer that you can think of is doing it. Lexus, I think, Honda, the hatchback, Honda Civic, they have the LED tail lamp all the way through. But yeah, pretty much every, not every, but certain car makers are doing it to where every car maker is copying each other. I mean, let's just be real. Every car maker really is copying each other. Now, I wish the Charger would copy the suspension from another car, because the suspension just trash, man. But let's get back to the Dodge door. I want to say that's the last thing, man. I really want to say that's the last thing, is the body style, how it's all made. Oh yeah, I'm not sure if I did say it, but I'll say the maintenance. The maintenance is really good on this car. Easy to maintain. The cost of maintenance is pretty cheap. I really just changed the oil. I changed my motor mounts. That's all I really changed, is the oil and my motor mounts. For the most part, those are the biggest things I did. The 3 motor mounts and pretty much the oil. I changed some of the brake pads and stuff just because I mean, it's really easy to maintain. It's a compact car, so it's not nothing hard to maintain. Yeah, so I mean, once again, it's not hard to maintain. I did remember when I was kept overfilling my vehicle as well. I changed that little piece, the evap system. Everything, the parts are really available and they cheap as well. So everything's really available for that car. But yeah, everything's pretty much readily available. Easy to work on. You don't need too much tools to work on it. I got it to 136,000 miles, I say, because I was doing Uber Eats at the time in Dallas, and that's when I was off on Friday, so I will always just do Uber for like a couple hours, and that's where my miles pretty much went on that car. I bought it with like 50,000 miles, 51,000 miles, something like that, and I put that many miles on it, so within a 4-year span, I believe. But I had to go. We had to get another car. We had to get that Journey, which we have, because we have, I mean, kids was on the way, so we had to pretty much upgrade for the most part. But other than that, man, it is overall, man, it's a really good car. I don't see anything wrong with it. The only thing I would say, transmission, maybe. I didn't have any transmission issues or anything like that. Transmission, and just be on the lookout for the transmission, the electrical issues for the 2013 at least. They pretty much fixed a lot of the issues, anything above the 2013. So if you got a 2014 and up, you're pretty much good. You don't really have any other issues. I wish I would have did, man, I really just wish I would have did a bunch of videos on it, because I remember they have a recall on it, but it's for the transmission little switch when it puts into reverse and everything like that. That piece is plastic and it's really not good. They made it plastic. It should be metal, so they did a recall on that. I fixed that with some JB Weld a long time ago, way before they did that recall out. But other than that, man, for the most part, man, the Dodge Dart is a good car to buy. If you're looking for something in the market, that's a good car. You're gonna get a lot of miles on it. You're gonna pay for a lot of miles on it, but to me, it's worth it because it's easy to work on, not really hard, and you get great gas mileage. So other than that, man, that's gonna be the wrap for the video. I just want to make a quick video about the Dodge Dart. Let me know what y'all think down in the comment section below. Did y'all like the video? Did y'all not? What do you like about the Dodge Dart? What do you don't like about the Dodge Dart? Or are you considering buying a Dodge Dart and that's why you watch this video? So make sure you go like, share the video, man. Smash that subscribe button as well. Turn on all post notifications so you can be notified every time I post a video, man. I'm out.